Hey guys, welcome to the third episode of Give Me a Break. And we have two new guests this time.
Yes, Mohit. Today we have two new guests with us.
For the first time ever,
And
we have guests.
Yes, first guests, and I would like all of you to see who these guests are. So first is Rohan Upadhyay. Updev. Sorry, Rohan Updev. I can never pronounce his surname. And next we have Mr. Shivin Sarsuri. Please
Hello,
say
hello.
hi to our audience.
Good evening,
Hello,
everybody.
guys.
Good night, good morning, wherever you're watching this.
So, Rohan, can we have a quick introduction? Who are you? Why are you here?
Acha, so I am Rohan Updev. I know these guys. Do I know you guys? कौन हो तुम लोग?
We
अच्छा,
don't
ठीक है.
know.
जो भी है तुम लोग, ठीक है.
random person in our Discord server. Okay.
Oh my God. तू है.
बहुत hard.
ठीक है, जो भी है. हाँ.
Okay, guys.
तो बस
no problem.
या ओके, तो बस हम यहाँ पे है, बस हम बातचीत करने आए हैं, हम यहाँ पे टाइम पास करने आए हैं. तो या आई रियली होप दिस विल बी फन.
Basically,
तो आप हमें
he's a
जानते कैसे
musician.
हैं?
Okay, so I guess I met Adi through Shivin. हाँ यार, that's it. या मतलब बस इतना ही जानता
बस
हूँ उसके बारे में.
और कुछ
Yeah.
बोला नहीं. Adi was a very
फिर
nice
पता नहीं
guy.
कौन है.
my
He was very good. कुछ नहीं.
अरे,
बस मिल लिया.
praise the host a little, you know?
Adi-
Praise the host a little.
Adi, okay, praise your friends. आज जिसने
Yeah,
story
because
bता दिया
when
था.
Shivin told me about you, he showed me a video of you playing guitar on his phone in the basement. And I was
Uh,
like,
I hyped
who
you up
is
like
this
mad.
guy? Wow.
Which video? I don't know about this.
अरे can't help
I
falling in
showed
love
him
का
the
guitar you were
perfect-
playing.
नहीं, perfect का भी finger
Perfect
styling
वाला.
है.
Yeah. I was like, this
Oh,
guy's
अच्छा.
very good at finger styling. So I was like,
Yeah.
I need to
Yes,
talk to him.
finger styling.
So that's how
Okay.
that was my first
Finger
impression
styling,
on you.
guys. Finger styling, okay? Nothing
Yes,
else.
not-
guys.
हाँ,
Nothing else.
तुम्हारी तरह dirty minded
Yeah.
नहीं है audience.
Okay.
हाँ. But
And
you
Shivan,
never
how
know.
did you?
You never know.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh. Are always
ठीक है,
people always confuse a style of playing guitar to that. And
Very
that's
good.
Very
Right.
sad.
Okay, guys, PG-13.
Yes.
Yes, PG-16.
And now,
not
Mr. Shivin, how did you happen to meet me and Mohit?
Alright, so about Mohit and I have seen each other every day in 8th
Yeah.
grade, 9th grade, we never saw each other. 10th grade, we never saw each other. 11th, we saw each other once in the lift while he was shifting
Lift.
into our
Lift
building.
is the place.
Yeah. Lift is the place. And he was like, hey, you live here? I was like, yeah, I live here. Okay, great. And that's it. That's about it. About
वो
Adi-
स्पाइडरमैन मी होता ना वैसे वो वाला.
Yeah, वही वैसे ही था.
Same.
Yes,
Same.
yes.
So about Adi, I was going to school.
About Adi,
I
there
think I
was
was coming
something
back.
special about Adi.
I was coming back from school and I see this really tall guy in our school's uniform. And I'm like, he kaun hai? So I was like, hey, you go to Podar? He's like, yes, I go to Podar. And then we became friends after that. The same evening we met and I showed him Rohan.
Yeah.
So that's how I met Adi.
And that day only he came to my house and we were recording.
We
Gunning
recorded
all
a
वाह.
that's where we knew that we will record more songs in the future. But
that.
guys, Acha Insan has never recorded with me
Hey.
after that day.
Arey?
He always
Not
gives
so-
me some deadlines. He's the most
नहीं, नहीं,
irresponsible
ऐसा
guy I
नहीं।
met. He always keeps me hanging. I swear I don't like this about him.
ऐसा भी
That's
नहीं
it.
Hashtag not so अच्छा इंसान.
Yeah, not very much.
है. What's up with this hashtag? Mohit has been making a playlist about me not being acha. Rohan has been calling me not acha.
I've been
Look at how many
recording
people are
footage of whenever
obsessed with
Acha
you.
Insan was not Acha.
Yeah, he just whenever I'm like Mohit, yeah, 1 sec. He pulls out his phone. He's like, Aditya told me 1 sec today, not so acha. And he has a whole playlist of when I've done this.
I have no. I can't record right now because it's
Bro.
online. But otherwise I would have like at least like 20-30 videos by now. I have like 4 right now.
Yeah, but it's very good to have both of you on here
Yeah.
on this podcast.
Very
Give
happy
me a
to have you.
break.
Yeah.
So what's up, guys? What do you want to talk about? What is popping, as they say?
As of
The
now,
only one
Reels
thing.
is
Yeah.
Yeah. Reels. Both of you are interested in reels.
TikTok gaya
Yes.
Well,
reels.
that's the only thing popping in our feed. What's popping?
Ah. Oh.
That's one thing popping. Yeah, I mean, matlab, see, TikTok was the huge thing back in June.
Back in
But
June.
now, but now, thanks to Modi ji and China stuff, we don't have TikTok. RIP TikTok. TikTok,
RIP TikTok.
OP in the
Always
chat.
in our hearts.
Yeah,
OP in the chat.
yeah. But now we have Reels, and that is doing
Yeah.
the same purpose.
So
And
reels,
anybody
so,
cares
yeah.
to explain what reels are?
so reels
Does
is
anybody-
basically
Basically TikTok.
copy paste TikTok. Copy paste
Basically
TikTok. It is basically Instagram is like, oh, TikTok gone. Oh, we can replace TikTok. Oh, let's make reels.
Yeah, so it's basically
it.
TikTok content on Instagram.
Half
It's
half
basic-
half the
it's
videos there
basically-
are basically
yeah.
TikTok videos only.
Yeah,
Facts.
Yeah.
TikTok Lite.
ba-
TikTok
On an
Lite.
average,
yeah.
every TikTok is around 15 seconds, and that's exactly what Instagram uses. They're like,
yeah,
just upload your stories as a permanent story.
yeah.
Reels. Beautiful feature.
Big brain.
Okay,
Big
they
brain.
have they have reels, they have stories, they have IGTV, they have posts.
Yeah. They used everything that every other social media had and they put it into Instagram.
So basically, YouTube ke liye IGTV,
Facts.
Instagram
is basically
Instagram
that one
post.
kid in school जिसके through सब जाता है. सब पता होता है उसे.
No,
कि ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है,
No,
वो
no,
हो रहा है,
the-
ये हो रहा है और जैसे ही
No,
उसको
no.
चांस मिलता है वो चीज वो सीख लेता है.
No, Instagram is the
Instagram वही
kid.
बच्चा है.
Instagram is the kid who tops in school by cheating.
Yeah, Reddit
he,
का भी चुरा
he
लिया.
copies everybody
भी
and
चुरा लिया.
wins. He copies everybody and tops.
कोई भी सिर्फ
Instagram is the Geo of all social media. I mean,
the
fact.
Geo,
I mean,
the
Jio
Geo
has
video call
everything.
app, the Geo video
Jio
call
Meet.
app. Yeah, it looks
Jio Meet, like
exactly the
TikTok.
same as Zoom. There is
Oh.
Be like
literally,
Zoom.
it looks like the code was just copy pasted. It's literally the same.
Exactly.
Maybe
And
they
you know
did.
what they made to make one change? They made the logo orange. Everything else is the same.
Wow.
In the start, the logo was also blue,
Yeah,
but now the logo is little orange, very little.
little.
But everything is the
I
same.
mean, they were like, oh, we can't get copyrighted, so just change the hue.
Yeah,
a
let's
little
just change the color. Like me and Mohit were talking about a video. Should we put this song? Nah, copyrighted. Let's just pitch it up.
bit. Yeah, that's
So basically, for me, I was like, I saw reels and I was like, क्या है ये? Copy तो है. This is not OG content. So basically, I was like,
Facts.
reel नहीं share करेगा मैं. But फर्क ही नहीं पता चलता. कर दिया share and Mohit's like, तू reel share कर दिया. I'm like, what? He's like, हाँ, तू reel share कर
no.
दिया.
Adi shares. I see Adi shared a reel, and I screenshot. I'm like, you shared a reel,
I'm like, I did not notice. Didn't even
bro.
notice.
Like it's like literally the
Oh.
in your feed. When you go to your explore page, it's just literally
Yeah.
there. Some of the posts are actually reels. You don't understand.
Yeah. And
Facts.
like for us, like I don't know what is up. There is this one person who
Oh,
is
yeah.
always there in
yeah,
my reels.
nameless. Okay, the
Guys,
reason,
Can I guess? Can
the
I guess?
reason
Can I
this
guess?
person is there.
Is it?
Yeah, it's
No names, guys.
No
Guys,
names,
no
no
names.
No names, but it is
No
that.
names.
It is that.
Bro, Donald Duck type कोई है
Okay.
क्या? ऐसा
I don't. Okay, who was hearing this can't understand who this is. Who was hearing this can't understand who this is.
Petition.
okay for
Petition.
those of you who don't understand this. All of you don't probably live in India,
Yeah.
or y'all don't use Instagram too much because this person, every time you
Everywhere.
open your Instagram, this person will be there. Basically. So
Basically,
I don't have a problem with her making content. Great, make content. That's fine. TikTok gone, you come to Instagram. Welcome. But I don't know if it's her fault or Instagram's. I'm tired of seeing her on my feed, man.
And that
I'm
is
so tired of her.
Instagram Reels does not have an app option for do not recommend this to me.
Yes.
They need to make
there
that.
should be an option.
Oh yeah.
I'm
They
like,
need
I
to
don't
give
want to see you
us
on
that
my
option,
feed.
bro.
Your voice
And
is
you know,
annoying.
she made a reel about annoying
Yeah.
voices
Yeah.
being irritating.
Irony.
The irony, dude.
I mean,
And now it's like, look
Dude.
at the irony here.
exactly.
yeah.
मेरे को
It's-
समझ में नहीं आता. It's just something about like कैसे कुछ लोग जैसे for example शिवन की आवाज सुनता हूँ तो दिल को शांति मिलती है. ऐसा कि it calms my heart. I can sleep to his voice.
Oh.
But then वो मैं सुनता हूँ तो मुझे मन करता है स्क्रीन के तू घूसा मार दूं ऐसे खींच के. You know
It's-
that feeling?
See, the
किसी
thing
ने कुछ
is,
एक
no, no.
बंदा जिसने कुछ करा नहीं होता बट उसको देख के बस मारने का मन
Yeah,
करता है
it's like that. Her voice is very
Arturo Roma.
annoying. yeah, she's
Arturo,
basically that.
that-
She's that,
that
of Reels.
dude.
Arturo.
बस
It's a
Triggered.
character.
Triggered.
If everybody who doesn't know this, it's a character from Money Heist, the show.
Bella ciao,
And
Bella
please watch
ciao.
Money Heist if you've not
a
already.
very
I'm
annoying
definitely
character
for you.
in the show.
His face is just I think the directors were like सबसे annoying कौन दिखता है इधर
Okay,
इधर
but
आओ।
okay, you know,
Boom.
I just saw this on like one of the behind the scenes of the show.
Yeah.
The writers of the story wrote Arturo Roman to be the most identical to like normal people. So that's why we hate him.
Ooh. Oh, we don't want to know the truth about
yeah,
ourselves.
exactly.
Hmm.
It's something like that.
Because yeah, it makes sense. I mean, I agree with Mohit here because you will do whatever the you can to
Yes.
get out of
Yeah,
there.
so basically
Yeah.
Arturo
I mean,
Roman
No,
is the
but
cool-
but why? But Arturo also went inside.
yeah,
in the
okay,
last
it's-
season.
it's- yeah, that,
Like,
that,
which
which that was dumb. That was just like
You are rich. You are famous. Let it be.
Like
Uh,
no
go.
मेरी बीवी अंदर है मैं मेरे बीवी को
बीवी
जाके
भी नहीं. बीवी
बचाएगा।
भी नहीं.
it's not
Whoa.
anymore.
BV भी नहीं exactly BV भी नहीं
हाँ,
अंदर.
Guys,
Change करा
very
दे
sorry
इसको.
by the way.
हाँ, oh,
Spoilers,
right, right.
spoilers,
Oh,
spoilers.
right,
by the
right.
way.
Oh,
Okay,
no,
okay,
spoiler.
guys.
Oh,
Just please
Yeah.
go watch Money Heist for any more
Yes.
information. We are not
Yeah,
going
we
to
are
spoil it
not
for you.
going to.
Yeah, let's not.
We
Yeah.
already
If
did
you've not
kind of.
watched it, just go
So
watch. it.
basically,
Go
Reels
watch
is
it.
a
Don't leave the pod.
it's a scam. Reels is basically a scam.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
So,
Reels is
I-
basically a scam.
Yeah. You know what else is a scam?
Shivin might know.
Relationships.
Yeah, I
Oh,
agree with it.
relationships.
Yeah.
Dude, relationships. I swear. I mean, what?
Okay,
Like-
it looks like Shivan has a lot of experience about this. Shivan, would you like to tell us why do you think relationships are a scam?
tell me why
Yeah.
They ain't nothing but a heartache.
Yes, you're singing this. That's fine.
Now
अच्छा,
number
jam session नहीं हो
5.
रहा guys. Jam session नहीं हो रहा guys. Hold up. I think relationships are a scam is because of toxic relationships. Like there are some
Yeah, so
relationships
toxic
which when you
relationships
look
are a
at,
scam.
you're happy. You're like, oh my god, these guys are so cute together. Like this is what I want. And when you actually get that, you realize, shit,
Yeah.
cut gaya, bro.
It's basically a trap. It looks like like when you are with a toxic person, it looks like wow, my future is going to be very good. This person is
Very
so
nice.
cute and all that. But when you
We
are
are so
with them, you feel like killing yourself. Metaphorically.
क्या
एकदम
चल
से
रहा है?
दुनिया
Why are you
बदल दी है
talking?
सब पलट दिया
हाँ, जज्बात बदल दिए.
वही यार सब
वक्त बदल दिया है, जज्बात बदल दिया है, हालात बदल दिया है, सब बदल दिया है, सब बदल गया है, bro. Like honestly, think
Yeah.
twice before dating anybody because you will see a change in that person.
Yeah.
Being from hi.
The worst part is like you can't like at first you can't identify कि ये टॉक्सिक तो नहीं होगा ये इतना क्यूट कैसे
ये
टॉक्सिक
टॉक्सिक कैसे हो सकता है?
वही।
Like how can
पर
she
जो
or he
लगता
be
है
toxic?
नहीं होगा वही होता है.
but
That
guys see,
person is the most toxic
हाँ.
person.
but guys I feel like everybody should be in a relationship at this age
Yes.
just to know why they should not. Okay.
Yes, I think
Yeah.
I like
one
that.
good thing
I
about
like that.
toxic relationships it changes you as a person and आपको इतना पता चल जाता है ना एक इंसान से पूरी दुनिया के बारे में कि next time before you take a step you are very aware of what you're going to do. So I think
Absolutely.
that's why you should I don't know not be in a toxic relationship but अगर हो जाए तो don't be sad about it, learn from it and then be careful next time.
Mohit
Every experience is a good.
I mean,
Mohit
Yeah,
Mohit,
yeah, guys.
Yeah,
Thank
Mohit.
you guys. Thank you guys. Thank
Mohit,
you guys.
what would you
There are,
like to tell us about
I would like to say
relationships?
that I'm clueless.
okay
Mohit has been single his entire lifetime. Buddy is so single that his mom fails to believe it.
Yeah, I know.
Tell us, Mohit, what does your mom think?
She thinks that I'm lying to her. Okay, at least this proves it. At least this proves it. I can show this as proof.
Yeah. So basically,
God.
Mohit is so single. His mom is like, "तो secretly है तेरी, मेरे को पता है. I know you have a girlfriend."
Yeah, exactly.
But man,
तू है,
man,
तुझे
even
पता है.
man wants to believe कि हाँ है, but he can't. Deep down he knows नहीं है कोई.
Oof.
मम्मी
But
इतने
Adi,
expectations क्यों?
come, buddy, come on.
What Mohit?
Don't do this to me.
Okay, moving on to Rohan. Rohan, your dating life and relationship life, I have never understood. Would you like to elaborate what you look for in a girl and how do you approach a relationship?
Um, See, I mean, like that's a very dynamic thing to ask, you know. I mean, like, see,
Oh.
Oh.
it totally
Big
depends on the
words.
person, you know. Yeah, I feel like,
Uh-huh.
yeah, but like, see, at this age, I don't think we should, like, you know, like, indulge in such,
Activities.
emotional and all
Basically
this
जो
stuff.
मम्मी ने
So,
बताया है वो
हाँ,
बोल रहा है.
मम्मी बात.
हाँ,
Yeah.
हाँ.
मम्मी ने कुछ नहीं बोला,
Mummy of the
मैं
group.
क्या? Yeah,
Yes,
so
Rohan.
yeah, so basically, I just feel like we should not indulge in such, you know, like deep emotional
Yeah.
relationships. Because, like, see, at this age, to be honest, we are not actually so mature to handle all this. Yeah,
Yeah.
maturity. The maturity is not
Maturity is when you realize that
Winner
winner
chicken
chicken
dinner
dinner
is
is
not
not
not a
real
real
success.
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 Yes.
Oh my
So
Yeah.
basically, na, 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 na. Oh shit.
Everybody make the Joker face. 3, 2,
Yeah.
1.
Oh my god, that I can't even do that now.
What
Nah,
is
nah,
this
nah.
I
podcast?
can't.
क्या
I
चालू
couldn't
है
even
यहाँ
do.
पे?
I couldn't even do it.
This
I couldn't even
podcast
do
has
it.
become too weird.
So
Oh my God.
basically Rohan is saying that you can date someone, just don't get emotionally attached to them
Yeah.
to the point where if
So
they're
how
going,
will you date? I mean, if the end goal is not looking for a long term,
yeah.
do you want to become a fuckboy?
What?
What?
If the end goal is not to date for a long term,
Hmm.
do you want to become a fuckboy at the end of
मैं
it?
Tell
कह
Rohan.
रहा हूँ नहीं मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मतलब देखो कि मतलब ये इस एज में डेट ही मत करो, ठीक है ना? डेट
ओहो.
डेट
Still,
तब
let's happen.
करो when you're like emotional state is, you know, like mature enough so that you can handle all that stuff. So yeah.
Hmm.
18 पे 18 plus.
Yeah, I guess, I mean, like it depends person to
अब
person.
फर्क
You
क्या
can't really
पड़ता है?
tell.
17
You
हो
can't
गया.
really tell. हाँ.
फर्क 17 हो गया. अब 18 पे भी डेट ही ना करो.
अच्छा.
18 के 12 बजे तुम प्रपोज करो और फिर डेट हो जाओ. मतलब
Date हो
ऐसे
जाओ.
बोलना चाह रहे हो तुम?
ऐसे
Yes.
3, 2, 1 Happy birthday. I
Happy
love you.
birthday.
I love you.
Hey bro, it's like 18 पे
भाई
emotional
साहब.
emotional switch का flip हो गया.
God.
18 पे switch flip कर
अच्छा.
दिया.
अगर Rohan, if you did not have this theory and you actually wanted to date someone and you know be emotionally attached to them, so since we know that you play guitar and sing and all that, how many girls do you think you'd
Guys,
have dated?
This
His DMs
is
are full
a
of
scam,
tea.
ठीक है ना?
If you could date every girl that has ever asked you out,
This
how
is
many girls would
such
you
a
have
big
dated?
misconception and such a big stereotype कि मतलब देखो कि ये बनता है, he plays the guitar, मतलब ये तो मतलब स्टडी होगा. नहीं है ऐसा, ठीक है ना?
Agreed.
नहीं है ऐसा.
Yeah. Guitar आता
किसने
है ये
बोला
date.
तुमको? हाँ, कौन बोल रहा है सब? मतलब कुछ भी
Yeah.
मतलब ये
तुम चुप रहो. ये भाई
Rohan,
ना
Rohan,
टिंडर
Rohan,
की तरह
Rohan, एक
लेफ्ट
second,
राइट करता
एक
है.
second, एक second, एक
ऐसा
second. Rohan,
ऐसा
Rohan,
हाँ. इन आउट
Shivan,
इन
one
आउट.
sec. Rohan, तूने डेट किया है ना?
हाँ, kind of.
किया है?
हाँ,
किया है. आदि तूने किया है ना?
हाँ.
शिवन तूने किया है ना?
हाँ
तुम
भाई.
तीनों गिटार बजाते हो ना?
ओ भाई साहब.
Oh.
ओ भाई साहब.
मैं गिटार
Oh my
बजाता हूँ.
God.
मैं गिटार बजाता हूँ.
He has broken the code, guys. नहीं, तू गिटार का
तूने भी
स्ट्रिंग
बजाया
तोड़ता है.
technically. तूने गिटार तोड़ा है. तू बजाया नहीं तो तोड़. तू उसको
हाँ.
इतना बजाया कि वो टूट गया.
अबे यार.
What I think about relationships is it usually depends on how, like, on your partner, how much your partner is ready to do for you, or like it's
Absolutely.
something. It shouldn't be like I'm doing this for you because you did it for me. It should be like I'm doing this for you because I want to do it. It shouldn't be like ehsan.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I agree with Adi here.
Yeah.
I wasn't trying to say that relationships are bad or anything. I mean, to all the people dating right now, you guys are dating because you trust each other. ऐसी बात नहीं है that good relationships don't exist.
Yeah.
I have seen a relationship in my own school last for 7 years and they're still going strong.
Yeah.
I mean, right now, I know someone who's been dating secretly for 7 years, and that person, if he's watching, he knows I'm talking about him.
Bro.
So, I mean, like, there are very, very successful relationships as well if you're willing to focus on everything, equally.
Yeah, I think that being in like a good relationship where both of you understand each other makes you learn even more than a toxic relationship. I mean, obviously, you get to learn a lot from that, what to do, how to treat your partner, and not that, because you've been treated badly. So you know that
Absolutely.
how to treat that person right. But once you start doing that with your partner and both of you, have a connection, then I think that's the most beautiful thing that can happen to you. So that is my take on relationships. If you really feel like it, you won't have to like go through points that I like this person. ये check हो रहा है कि नहीं. It'll just feel right, and maybe it won't work out for some reason. Maybe that person can turn out not as you thought they were, but if it does, it's very beautiful. Trust me. So yeah.
All right. So after whatever discussion we had, I think relationships are still a scam.
Yeah,
हाँ.
I
So from
second that. I
scam-
second that. Until unless I
Very
don't
nice.
experience it firsthand, it's a scam.
Yeah,
I
y'all
would
know
like
what
to
else
believe
is a
that. I would
scam?
like to believe that.
What else?
Y'all know what else is a scam?
Oh yeah, I know.
What
The Twitter thing. There was a Twitter incident.
Oh yeah,
The-
yeah.
Like
People's accounts got hacked and all that.
almost every single
Yeah, yeah,
verified account
verified.
got hacked. And then there was a Roblox scam. Basically, it's like
Yeah.
you give me $1,000, $1,000. I'll give you $2,000.
And people were
Who
doing
is,
it
who
for
is
some
dumb
reason.
enough to believe that? And it was in Bitcoin. So people were like,
एक
here
मिनट में
you
पैसा
go.
double."
Here's my $20,000. Bro, they actually made money off it. How? How are
Yeah,
people
अरे
so
what
dumb?
is that movie?
फिर
फिर
हेरा
हेरा
फेरी।
फेरी और like हेरा फेरी इसमें like दो
हाँ, so
तेरा
वही तो
दो
3
मेरा.
दिन में पैसा डबल
Scheme,
तो 1
scheme.
मिनट में पैसा
Yeah.
डबल. That's what I did.
Yeah.
Bro.
Skim.
I just don't understand
Sexy
how dumb are people to send money to them? How
Yeah.
dumb can you
Exactly.
be? I mean,
अरे I think they'd have a lot of money. Like
mean,
Shivin right here. पैसा दे दो होगा double तो नहीं वरना जाए.
arre, re, re.
नहीं.
but you know, like,
Excuse
but
me?
you see Americans,
Money,
bro.
money,
You see Americans.
You are talking about money. You shut up, you fucker.
Hey.
You got a 41,000 mic
By
which you're
mistake.
using.
By mistake.
Whatever. You bought
I'm
an
not rich, I'm
80,000
lucky.
computer. You got a mic stand. You got
Oh,
so
no, no.
much of
Stand-
stuff for
stand
what?
वापस कर दिया भाई.
For
There is no
what?
mic stand. He doesn't
For
have a mic
what?
stand. He doesn't have
No
a
mic
mic stand.
stand.
For-
गमला
no,
use कर रहा
But
हूँ.
for what? It wasn't your birthday. It wasn't your mom's birthday, dad's birthday, any occasion. It was just मुझे चाहिए.
अरे मैं
Oh.
काम करता हूँ
अब
लैपटॉप
मिला.
पे भाई. वीडियो बनाना होता है.
Excuse me. No. यहाँ देखो क्या मैंने भी ये देखो मेजरिंग में रखा हुआ है
हाँ
इसको.
see.
This is a
Me and
measuring
you,
glass.
we're the
Guys,
same.
मैं
Spider-Man
यहाँ
meme
पे
insert.
हेडफोन के माइक से रिकॉर्डिंग कर रहा है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
तुम तीनों के तीनों चुप, ठीक है ना? बिल्कुल चुप.
हाँ तो.
Honestly,
Guys, why aren't we talking about
Oh my
the
god.
guy with like 15 lakhs worth of
Not-
setup? Look at. I mean, whatever it is,
Not even
two
50.
screens,
This guy,
a
two screen,
mic,
yeah.
a bloody Gulgula keyboard. whatever
RGB.
Mechanical
RGB.
keyboard. Gulgula.
Gulgula
Bro,
keyboard.
this is meme
Oh my
material right here.
God.
Gulgula
Gulgula.
keyboard.
No, Gulgula.
Gulgula,
You have a Gulgula mouse.
Gulgula keyboard and mouse
mean-
gives you more FPS. I changed my sentence.
Yes,
I
sir.
changed my sentence. It is Gulgula keyboard and mouse.
Acha, back to the topic. We're talking about
Have I
scams.
been scammed?
Rohan, have you been
Oh,
scammed ever?
देखो guys, तो देखो guys, एक होता है स्कैम.
Yeah.
फिर उसके
Yeah,
बाद
but
आता है
not.
विजय माल्या, ठीक है ना?
Hmm.
उसके बाद आते हैं ये हरामी लोग, ठीक है ना? तो बेसिकली
ओहो.
क्या हुआ था? I was like approached
okay.
by this one meme page, okay, and they said कि देखो भाई, तुम हमारा पेज एक दिन के लिए टेक ओवर करो, and if you do well, we will pay you $5,000 a month, okay? So I was like, okay, wow, bro, मतलब great opportunity है, मैंने सही है, करते हैं, ठीक है? I
Ooh,
gave
money.
those guys my 24 hours, ठीक है? I personally messaged everybody to go follow that page, ठीक है? To go like, comment, share, whatever, okay? And उसके बाद I get to know that they did not choose me. And मतलब एकदम से जज्बात बदल दिए, एकदम से सब हो गया, and I was like,
Oh.
and मैं बोला क्या? I gave you my everything. मतलब जो था मेरे पास मेरे सारे followers दिए मैंने सब दिया मैं and so guys ये बहुत बड़ा धोखा दिया मेरे को बहुत.
Interaction.
Yeah. Then हुआ क्या
I
फिर?
was one of the people he was on text with, and I said, "Sir, can you do
Yeah.
face reveal?" And
अरे
he
किलो.
sent me a photo of someone doing. And I'm like, dude,
So yeah, बहुत
I'm
खराब
like,
scam.
dude, what's up with this app?
Oh right, yeah.
But
the
like,
email
you
था.
got an email or something right after that?
Yeah, so then
Yeah,
basically they
Okay.
sent me this
cricket के बाद
mail
गोवा.
saying that how I was selected from the pool of 400 applicants and मतलब which is basically not true. ठीक है ना, सब कुछ scam है, ठीक है ना. So yeah,
Also,
I
Rohan
never
never
applied
applied.
only. They only
Rohan
approached
never
me. I was
applied.
like,
No,
क्या है
Rohan
ये?
never applied.
What is this? क्या
Rohan
है?
was
So
approached.
yeah, I mean,
We
yeah,
were
I mean, वो
updated about everything.
बहुत ही
Like
बड़ा
he
सा
sent
scam
us
था.
screenshots and
So
stuff.
basically,
Yeah.
I
Like,
was
dude,
Yeah.
$5,000.
scammed very bad. ठीक है, और मेरा कट गया था.
Yeah, and the fact that all of us were on a group and we were
वही.
talking कि ये गलत हो सकता है, then we decided
हाँ.
क्या जा रहा है
Yeah,
हमारा, कर लेते हैं.
yeah, right.
But
Yeah.
then it turned
Stay
out to
safe,
be a
guys.
scam. So
Stay
yeah.
And at
safe.
least you
And
didn't lose any money or something. So it's fine.
yeah. Are losing money? I'll tell you. Losing
We
money.
told him not to give his
I
bank
was
details.
so close to losing money to a scam. So I was basically a little kid, 10, 11, I don't know. So I got on my computer and I was some pop-up came. Classic pop-up ki this is spin wheel. If it lands on iPhone and Audi, you get an iPhone and Audi. So I was like, चलिए spin करते हैं. So I spinned it. So it of course landed on iPhone and Audi. And I'm like, wow, ये मिलेगा मेरे को. तो फिर then it started asking for credentials and all that. So I knew that my dad wouldn't allow me to use his credit card. तो उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि credit card information just for registration purposes. No, we won't charge. So I was like, okay, trust them. So I slowly went chupke, and I was like finding my dad's wallet, and I was like, wallet kidhar hai? Then I found his wallet, and I pulled out the credit card. And I did not know which credit card to use, but मैंने जो भी सबसे shiny वाला था
ये
वो निकाल
चमक
लिया.
रहा है, ये ले लेते
And
हैं.
I was like, and मैं
Ooh,
लेके
shiny
जा रहा
goods.
था.
I take shiny.
Yeah, exactly. चमक रहा है. This has more money, gold. So the thing is, I was a noob and I did not check my corner. So my dad was sitting across the room and he was watching me do all this. So I was like, "Idhar aao."
Yeah, dude.
And I shat myself, like, oh shit, I'm gonna get beaten. It's like, what are you doing? So I was like, you'll be proud of me. It's like, why? I'm like, I won an iPhone and Audi. We wanted a car, no? I'll get you car. So I was like, get me your laptop. I got the laptop. I was asking for credentials. I'm like, बेवकूफ है क्या? इधर देख, चोरी कर लेते हैं पैसा. I'm like, अरे पर वो मैं जीत गया spin wheel. I'm like, अभी पड़ेगा थप्पड़, निकल यहाँ से.
So basically, what happened to Adi is a classic V-Buck scam.
Yeah.
Give credit
Yeah.
card
These were the
credentials. I will
same
give
guys.
you money.
These were the same
Yeah.
guys
Adi
who
was the
scammed me.
kid
Okay, ठीक है ना.
who
My
almost
dad
gave
tricked
money.
me.
सब मिले हुए हैं. सब मिल के पागल बना रहे हैं हमको, ठीक है ना.
सब मिले हुए
Also,
हैं.
Milavat
like on
hai.
this, like okay, I just want to tell you something. Okay, so basically, okay, I read about this on Twitch ka subreddit. So basically, a kid used all his mother's savings, donating and subbing to streamers. About $40,000 or something.
Respect, but not a good thing
Dude,
to do.
leave that.
Without the
There
knowledge
was
of
a
the
kid
mother,
in India.
ate up
There's
all
a
his
kid in-
ate up all her savings, and now she can't. She's trying to get back, but like Twitch is like a legitimate platform, so it's hard to get back.
Hmm.
There was a kid in India who wasted his dad some, I think, 13 lakhs on PUBG.
Oh,
I mean, he kept on buying
Battle
add-ons and
Pass.
add-ons and add-ons.
yeah. So basically, from all of these experiences, scams
Don't.
suck, and I do not suggest any of you to go to any meme page and work for them
The only
or
thing-
win a
हाँ,
spin
the
a wheel
only thing you guys
challenge
should
Or
steal is
or
So-
steal your mom's credit card. Don't do that.
or steal your mom's credit card for a V-Bucks. Don't do that. That's not good. Yeah. See, abhi he was like,
दिल देके
"दिल नहीं
देखो,
देना
Abhi was
था,
like, guys,
तेरा
we
दिल ले
should
लो,
not
दिल
be in
मेरा
a
मुफ्त का."
relationship.
Bro.
Ab mera dil le lo. Like, hypocrisy.
दिल देके देख.
Okay,
Wow.
guys. Okay, thank you. Scoop Whoop, it's okay.
Shivan, what do you think is a scam?
Yeah, like we all talk about scam. Yeah.
Even though I love cricket, one thing that is the biggest scam is
Ooh.
Indian Premier League.
Hmm.
That
Yeah, so
even is
why
stuck
is
in
it a
my head.
scam?
Dude, why do you think Ambani wins every alternate year?
सब लिखा हुआ है.
सब लिखा हुआ है.
सब लिखा है भाई. We are
Fixing,
living in a
match fixing.
simulation. बस Elon Musk का वीडियो डाल देना इधर.
I'm
सब
I
पैसे
don't
का
know.
खेल.
I've tried to like cricket so much but I've never been able to like it. Like 6 years of my childhood, I have like just spent in just thinking and like pretending कि मेरे को cricket पसंद है. I used to sit with my friends who were cool and they liked cricket. So I used to sit with them and they used to be like, oh yeah, buck up. Wow, what a shot. I'm
What
just
is
like,
buck
yeah,
up?
run ho gaya. Wow.
Wait,
And
what
like-
is
and
buck
they'll-
up? I want to know what is buck up. Is buck up a thing?
Nobody says buck up, okay?
Yeah,
कोई-
nobody
कोई
says
नहीं
I just
बोलता।
want to know. I just
अरे
want to know.
बोलते
He
कुछ
just
बोलते
made
थे
that
I
up.
just want to know. I
कौन
just
सा
wanna know,
क्रिकेट
yeah.
देख रहे थे?
अरे कुछ
तुम
बोलते
कौन सा क्रिकेट देख रहे थे?
मैंने बोला ना मेरे को
पक्का-
नहीं
पक्का
पता
कौन
6
बोलता है?
साल पुरानी बात है स्टोरी सुनिए कि नहीं
Yeah. Continue.
so they used to be like cheering and all that and then I had no idea कौन है I'm like yeah मलिंगा अच्छा बैटिंग करता है I don't know
Okay.
मलिंगा bowler है भाई।
know.
भाई
क्या?
भाई ना नहीं पता था मेरे को एंड वो लोग
Okay,
मेरे को बताते भी नहीं थे
Alright,
क्योंकि उन्हें मजा आती थी
Okay.
कि
Even
मैं उल्टा
I
सीधा
don't
गलत
like
बोल रहा
cricket that
धोनी
much,
क्या
but I know
करता
more
है?
than
धोनी
Adi.
क्या करता है? हाँ बॉलर है।
yeah
Very nice.
Okay, I
and
don't.
then when I came
What
to
is no?
yeah
Are you going to say that you did not watch the 2011 final also?
I don't know no probably
I
not
watched
You
it.
didn't watch the
भाई-
2011 final where MS Dhoni hit the ball for 6. I think even Mohit
Nope.
watched that.
Yeah, even I watched it. Yeah, my dad was.
Mohit,
watching,
you
so I
didn't
watched
watch it?
अरे मैंने
I watched it.
देखा होगा याद
I
नहीं
watched it. I watched it.
No.
I
Guys,
watched it.
I
I
want
watched
you,
it.
if you watched until here, please go and say fuck you to him on DM. He deserves it. No, this is not done. How
अरे
can
यार
you ever
भाई
not?
No.
यार
No.
देखो when
I'm-
when I
I'm
came to
simple guy.
Mumbai
No.
I felt this immediate pressure of trying to watch cricket and liking it so I sat down with my dad when I first came here I started watching cricket I was like हाँ ठीक है तो अब और क्या फिर क्या हुआ तो मेरे को समझ नहीं आता and then I like was trying to build up interest but then हुआ ही नहीं I've never I've not been a fan of watching any sports
Even
So,
like
I
yeah,
don't know.
even
Probably
though
that.
even like I'm not a big fan
Rohan,
of cricket. Cricket to
Rohan,
me.
when we meet now, we have to
Yeah, kill him, right?
You know
Yeah.
what we
Yeah,
have
yeah,
to
I know, I know. Okay.
अरे
direct dead
Adi,
scene.
Adi,
अरे
Adi,
रन आउट हो जाएगा
Adi, if they murder you, we have proof
Please.
that they planned and they did it. Okay. I'll get revenge for
FBI.
you. I'll get revenge for you.
Yeah, so basically cricket, not been a big fan of cricket.
See, basically,
yeah.
okay, I don't like cricket. I don't like watching cricket that much. It's kind of boring. I've played for bachpan mein thoda, but overall cricket, I'm not big fan. I don't like watching it. But
बचपन में जो खेलते हैं उसे बैट बॉल कहते हैं
Bad boy.
Cricket
Wow,
में.
wow.
all right. No, but
Cricket
like
ही था.
cricket, I used to play cricket. Like every summer vacations when I used to go.
Every
Yeah.
kid played cricket.
Yeah.
I mean, in whatever way,
Yeah.
but we
अबे,
played.
मैं क्रिकेट खेलने
Like,
की
चाहे
बहुत
तुम
कोशिश
ball
करी
ही
बट
gutter से
बॉल
उठा के ला रहे
बॉल
थे.
लगने का डर बहुत रहता था यार बॉल लगने का डर
Tennis
कभी दिल
ball
से
था.
गया ही नहीं
Tennis ball.
That happened to me when I played cricket for the first time with a leather ball.
Yeah, that,
अबे हाँ
yeah.
मेरी
My
सोसाइटी
first
में
day,
भी
I
लेदर
didn't
से
go.
खेलते थे
Leather ball,
I
I'm
didn't
scared.
go. I was like, "Mama लग जाएगा, मैं मर
Leather
जाऊंगा."
ball,
and
I'm
shit.
scared. I don't want to fight. I don't want to face that. My
मजे
hand
की
will
बात
break.
मैं जिस दिन मैं सोच के गया था कि यार बॉल थोड़ी लगती है उसी दिन मुंह पे पड़ी थी मेरे
हाँ.
तो या
That happened to me in football.
हाँ अब
Ah.
मुंह पे लगे फिर
Okay,
वो
I
मर्द
like-
मर्द वाले बच्चे आते कि हुआ तो नहीं कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ सब सही है आंखों से आंसू आ-
नहीं।
नहीं कुछ रोना थोड़ी आ रहा है मैं रो नहीं रहा हूँ खून नहीं आ रहा है वो तो ऐसे ही हो जाता है कभी कभी कोई
हाँ।
प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है
अरे ये
Uh,
पसीना ही है
Yeah.
Yeah.
पसीना
I like
कुछ
playing
नहीं- कुछ नहीं
football
हुआ।
more than cricket.
मेरे पसीने में फूड कलरिंग है
नाक से ब्लड आ रहा है नहीं नहीं ये तो मेरे नाक से साथ रहता है
वो
अरे
कोरोना
नाक से
it's
केचप आ
bad.
रहा है यार क्या बात कर रहे हो तुम लोग?
नाक में मैंने केचप डाला था वो तो अभी लीक हो रहा है
वाह
वो मैं यहाँ पे स्टोर करके
Very
रखता है
मैं केचप स्नॉट कर रहा था
PG-13
Wow.
guys, PG-13, PG-13. Thank you.
Oh my god what ketchup snorting is
And-
PG-13
एंड मम्मी इज लाइक घर पे केचप कौन खत्म कर रहा है यार
आज सुबह तो जाके मैं लाइक क्या आज क्या कहाँ गया आज कहाँ गया
अरे मैं friend
It's like those.
आदि
It's like
guys,
those
guys,
TikTokers
guys.
with the red eyes and the Hari Mirch, the
अरे,
lal
अरे,
mirch.
Yes.
imagine how you
Like-
would eat french fries imagine how
ओ,
you would eat french fries
अये, छी
Oh my god
मम्मी एक मिनट हाँ.
अरे नॉट इवन दैट फ्रेंच फ्राई इधर डाल दिया
french fry नाक में डाल के खा रहे हैं
आय हाय.
okay
Okay,
I
guys.
got it.
इतना
That's
gross.
good.
back to cricket yeah Shivan so you seem to be having conflicting opinions what is it that you like about cricket
Cricket is something which unites India. I mean, everywhere. I mean, even if I've gone to Kashmir, and I'm not kidding. I've gone to Kashmir. As soon as I entered the guest room, the first channel cricket was going on. Dude, cricket unites everybody. The people, the Jawans in Kashmir also. I was living in an army accommodation. Everybody loves cricket there. Like they play cricket every day in the evening as a fun team building
अबे
sport.
तो उधर वाईफाई नहीं
And
चलता
you
है
know,
ना?
हाँ?
वरना वैलोरेंट खेलते होते.
वो जिन लोगों से वाईफाई कर रहे होते ना, we are sitting here because of them.
Yeah, वो भी है.
yeah.
So
Jai Hind,
respect for
Jai
the
Hind.
Indian Army. Jai Hind,
Jai
guys.
Hind.
Feeling
Let's
proud
respect
Indian army.
अरे यार.
Feeling proud Indian Army. Okay, anyways. So, so cricket is something which, you know, I love watching. Firstly, I love the suspense, but also I'm very partial on what I watch. I watch either IPL or India के matches. और कोई मैं Ashes वैशेज नहीं देखता. Ashes is basically England versus Australia and stuff. I only watch India के matches and my favorite player. Everyone's favorite player. In fact, everyone he loves him.
Sachin
It's none other
Tendulkar.
than MS Dhoni.
Oh.
Arey, MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni is the OP dude. Like
Yes.
I've never seen a better leader than him. I've never seen a better person than him, and I've never seen anyone better than him in the field of cricket.
Yes, yes.
And I think
yes.
Rohan will agree with me
I
here.
totally
Otherwise,
do.
if he has
No,
a
no, no,
different
no. I
opinion,
totally
then he
do.
can
Yeah.
go.
He's the best. I feel so too.
Also on this note, I would just like to say rest in peace to Shant Singh Rajput.
Yes, I was just
Oh,
thinking
right.
that. R.I.P.
Yeah, bro.
My man.
I mean, honestly, nobody would have done the role better.
What a
then
kind-hearted
Sushant-
person he is.
He's a wonderful
Was.
actor.
I mean, I could watch that movie every day and I won't get bored. That's how big of a fan I am of Dhoni and Sushant Singh Rajput. But one thing I would just want to say is about his recent movie. It would have got such amount of hate if he was alive right now. And I'm not even scared of saying that right now because I know that people would have trolled him so much for the movie. Be like, this is a
Yeah.
copy.
Yeah.
But dude,
Yeah. I mean,
I
a
mean,
lot
they made
of
it
people are
reach
pity watching it.
147 crores in a day.
A
Yeah,
lot
exactly.
of people are pity watching it, and I don't like
Yeah.
it. I don't like it because
I don't like
it's
that.
not doing Sushant or the movie respect.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Doesn't do him
I
any
completely agree
justice.
with you, Mohit.
Yeah. So
I mean,
still,
I-
he was a
I-
very
I've decided
great
not to
guy,
watch it.
and I really he was. I don't know if you guys have seen his speeches in like IIT Bombay and all that.
IIT Bombay.
Yeah.
That's the
Yeah,
best
I've
speech.
seen
I've
that
seen
one
it and
too.
it's so
Inspiring.
good.
Even PewDiePie did a review on it.
Yeah,
Like, he
yeah.
watched it
Exactly.
too.
PewDiePie reacted
PewDiePie,
to
yeah,
him like
yeah.
a person also.
Yeah, and it basically it just feels so unbelievable that like a person like him could take this step.
Is not here.
Yeah. So
And that's where I just want to say one last thing, and I'm sorry if I'm extending.
no, that's fine. That's fine.
Mental health issues are real.
Yeah.
Like mental health is as important as physical health, and whoever is watching this, wherever, you need to know you're not alone. I mean,
yeah.
whatever might be the situation, you will make it. You will
Yeah.
be better. You will be happy again. And I just pray to God that you never come across such a situation where you have to take such a harsh step. And I mean, it is still very difficult for me to digest that someone like Sushant Singh Rajput, someone as jolly and as energetic as him and as inspiring as him, took this step.
Yeah. I don't think
I
there
honestly
is
don't have
positive
words.
a
character.
problem that big that you'd have to, ever take your life away. If like
Hey,
anybody was
whatever
watching
it is,
this,
whatever
if
it
you
is,
have any
it will pass.
thought of like doing something like that, reach out, talk to your friends. If you don't feel like talk to us, you can reach out
Yeah,
to
Talk
our
to a
Teens for
professional,
Teens.
talk to
yeah,
us,
talk to anyone.
talk to anyone. Just
Teens for Teens.
teens
yeah.
for
Yeah.
talk to teens for teens. I mean, if teenagers are watching this, and this is a shameless self promo, but it's for raising awareness, and I don't
It
care.
doesn't matter.
If
It's
you want to
good
cut this
reason.
out, it's okay.
Good, it's a
Teens
good
for
reason.
Teens in the link.
Teensforteens.in it will be there for you, even if you are feeling lonely at 4:30 at night. I am up. I will see your text and I will reply. Don't ever feel that nobody's here to listen to you, because people do care about you.
Yeah.
People care about you, and everybody. You deserve love no matter what the fuck you've done. No matter what you've done, you deserve love and happiness.
Even
No
if you've
matter what.
done nothing, you
That-
deserve
that's,
love.
that's one thing I live by.
Yeah. On that note, guys, please go praise your friends. Make them happy.
Yeah. Yeah. Talk to your friends. If they're acting weird, talk to them. Check up on them.
Absolute.
See what's up.
Absolute.
And even if you think your friend is completely fine and happy, just give them thoda time. You never know what's cooking in someone's head. You won't
Just
become a
one
smaller
message, like
person.
how are you?
Yeah.
How are you feeling? What's up? Anything.
Yeah.
Anything brighten up anybody's day. Like the recent monologue, I don't know if you've seen
Yeah,
that
I did. Yeah,
IGTV
I've
of
seen
that
it. I've
11
seen
minute.
it.
It is so
Oh,
inspiring,
yeah,
and he's acted so well in that. It's beautiful. I
Yeah.
mean, it's beautiful.
honest, but like
Like-
I just want to say that guy who's like the way he was speaking was very like he
Yeah.
kept me watching
Real.
it. He kept me watching
Yeah,
it.
exactly. I wouldn't be watching a
Hmm.
TikTok with that
Exactly.
interest. Never.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Like even though like such like was very interesting, but the ending was kind of like sad and stuff. But like
Yeah.
but it was definitely
But
needed.
still,
Definitely needed. Yeah.
we will miss him and one and only. But yeah, back to cricket. So Rohan, what are your thoughts on cricket? Where do you stand?
Cricket. So basically, like I used to play cricket since I was like 7 years old.
Hmm.
Okay, but like now I've started to like lose interest in the sport. Maybe because I'm not playing it enough.
Good
Hmm.
But
Shivan's
yeah,
face.
so like yeah, I mean like that happens. I mean like when you don't usually play the sport regularly.
Hmm.
So yeah, I mean like that's what's going on with me with the sport.
But you like watching it.
On a side note, Rohan and I have been in the same team.
Yes, we played
Ooh.
Yeah,
and we lost
we played.
and we
We
lost.
lost this, and we
I've been a cheerleader who was cheering the opposite team's names. So
yeah, from Lucknow.
yeah, let's go Lucknow. Kebab team go.
Oh,
Kebab team.
नहीं Lallan Tap Lucknow.
Arey boys, y'all make fun of Lucknow, but you eat the food there. Mwah. What a-
Lucknow के लौंडे.
एक ही चीज है.
that
Oh,
khana is
Luck-
ah, ha, ha, ha.
लखनऊ के
Lovely
लौंडों का
Lucknow.
लजीज कबाब.
lovely Lucknow.
Labab. Did you say
LLL.
labab?
No, I said kebab. I said
Okay.
Labab कहाँ से है?
Labab.
Labab is very tasty.
गुलुलू लबाब पता नहीं क्या क्या मीम ही बना दो मेरा.
क्या लबाब बनाते हैं यार?
लखनऊ के लबाब यार.
Bro,
Lucknow के
I can totally imagine all your friends from Lucknow be like,
You know what I can imagine? Abba. Abba.
Oh,
अबे
अबे
साले,
साले.
अबे साले. Mood ही खराब. Mood ही खराब.
It's nice. I mean, I don't get cricket, but like for y'all, cricket can be, watching cricket can be like a stress reliever, and it's
Yeah.
fun to watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, like, okay,
But, like,
I could probably
for,
like something
yeah.
else that's stressful. Like, I could probably chill on a beach or something. That'd be chill. Or like, yeah, some
Oh,
cool
beach,
place.
Goa.
Hmm.
Goa is
Talking
the
about
place.
beaches. Oh my God, Goa.
Yeah,
Shivan has something to share
Yeah,
with us.
Shivan,
We all
your
have,
Goa
we all have
story,
gone to Goa, right? We
interesting.
all have gone to Goa, right? Yeah. I
Yeah,
think
all
so.
of us have been to
Yeah.
Goa.
All of us been to Goa.
I go to Goa like every year.
I've gone
at
like
least-
I've
Yeah,
gone
same.
once.
Almost
I've
every
gone
year.
once.
I've been there once.
Yeah, same.
Shivan, please tell us your
Goa.
experience.
Yes.
Yeah.
I-
Do you like Goa?
Shivan's Goa experience is very nice.
Look, Goa is lovely.
But Goa is not lovely.
Goa is
Goa is like
Is-
explosion. Explosion
Explosion.
it is, right?
explosive.
Explosion and
Clean.
water. Splash, splash.
Okay, guys.
Splash, splash.
Okay, that's enough description. Thank
Yeah,
you.
okay,
Yes,
continue.
tell us.
Now, some of you have figured out what they're about to say, but for the ones who've not yet, I remember that this happened around a year ago.
That accent though.
Uh, we were going on a road trip
Wow, 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 wow.
to Goa. Yeah, where people take flights. We took a road trip. Amazing, amazing, beautiful. We reached, but before that, we stopped at a restaurant and I ate prawn curry rice.
Ooh,
Beautiful,
ooh, ooh. Wow.
Tasty.
Okay.
beautiful, beautiful. But it was from a local vendor.
Oh my.
But I
God.
didn't give a shit because I was very hungry.
Yeah. And it's Goa,
You
man.
did
What
actually.
could go wrong?
You,
It's Goa. You like I'd roast everything. Like,
Rohan, you did give a shit.
you are
What? What happened?
Shivan said, I don't give a shit. And Rohan was like, you
yeah,
did
I
give a
don't
shit.
I don't give a shit because it's Goa. Okay, guys, let me complete the
Yeah,
story.
let him tell the story. yeah.
okay? Yeah.
Okay, now I sat in the car. I'm like, oh, पेट में. Then suddenly halfway, I was like, bro, ये good क्या हो रहा है?
Gulu gulu.
Oops.
Like, gulu.
Oh, poopies.
And you know, I could feel that I'm getting sick.
Oh, okay.
As soon as I reached home, there were nukes, my friend.
Oh my
nukes. Nukes in the toilet.
25 prawn kills. Tactical nuke.
Oh my God.
Valorant में
Dum, dum,
undivided
dum, dum.
is Shivan.
Valorant jump and shoot.
Valorant
And
में
dude,
race
for
का ult
the
is holding
next-
Shivan ऐसा. ऐसा prawn का and feeding him prawn as ammo and then just shooting it.
Shivan's
Alright,
poop.
nobody understands
Shivan's
that. We're
poop
not
was
putting
like
that. We're not putting that.
Shivan's poop was like go Goa gone.
Yeah, exactly.
Guys, I was so excited for the trip. I had got my tripod and I will take time lapse and oh my god, edit and everything. And the maximum distance I covered was from the drawing room
To the bathroom.
to the toilet. And I'm like, इसका time lapse बनाओ क्या? Like, bro, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. Like, it was from.
अंदर बाहर stand.
I didn't go out for any. Everyone's gone out. I'm sitting alone on my phone. Wow,
Yeah.
what is life?
I mean, I think we
Oh
all
my
have done
God.
this at
Goa,
least
it
once.
was a
At least once
disaster,
in our
guys. Goa
lives,
was a
we have
disaster.
gone out somewhere, not like somewhere to go as a trip, and just sat on our
Yeah.
phone.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, that's just sad.
We do
That's
that.
honestly
I
sad.
don't know. We have done that. I've done that.
I have done it too. I have done it abroad.
Yeah.
I was so sad when I did it abroad. I'm like, मैं यहाँ फिर से नहीं आने वाला.
हाँ. I was like, यहाँ पे मेरे
Yeah.
सामने इतना बड़ा बिल्डिंग है, मैं बिल्डिंग क्यों नहीं देख रहा? मैं फोन क्यों देख रहा है? Why am I
मैं phone
still
के अंदर building
why
देखेगा,
am I still
wow.
interested in desi dot sarcasm के memes? Why?
Exactly.
Oh.
Wi-Fi क्यों नहीं चल रहा? मुझे Trolls Official के meme देखने हैं मम्मी.
Yeah, but like शिवन का story I really consider it होता है कि कभी-कभी whenever you go out
अरे
तभी you have
कभी
to
ना
go
कभी
to a
तो
washroom or something.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
washroom तो like this one time we were performing, me,
Yeah.
Rohan, Shivan,
This
Mohit,
is.
and
I was not
Manasan
performing, but I
also
was there. I was.
there. Yeah,
recording
Mohit
the-
was there for recording, and we were supposed to.
Wait,
perform.
shout
Ro-
out
Ro-
the
Rohan,
video.
would you like to
We have
tell
the
us
videos.
what happened?
The videos on our YouTube.
Yes.
The videos on my YouTube.
That
Insane.
is-
Yeah. Just check it
That
out.
videos
Kevin
on
Suri
YouTube.
has left the chat.
Yeah. Shivan
Yeah, so
Suri.
basically that is such a heart shattering story, So basically
Yeah, it shattered
the
so much more.
anchor-
Yes.
Yeah, so basically the anchor on the stage had said कि 5 मिनट बाद राजमताज परफॉर्म कर रही है, ठीक है ना?
Which was our name,
तो
by
आप
the way.
देखोगे fine.
Razzmatazz Rhapsodies.
Yeah,
Which we
Rhapsody.
did not
What a
understand.
name.
Raspberry.
What a name.
Rhapsodies.
We didn't
Okay.
make it up. We
Bro,
didn't
Yeah,
make it.
that
Razzmatazz
was
is
our name.
actually a color, It's a color.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Razzmatazz is actually a color. I'm not kidding. I'll show it to you after
Okay,
this.
but whatever
call.
it is, we did not decide the name. They gave
Yeah.
it to us.
Yeah, absolutely. They just gave it to us.
Yeah.
They
Razzmatazz.
gave us no
Does
choice.
Does any one of us look like a razzmatazz? Like, do we look like what does razzmatazz look like?
Don't know. We have to Google it.
Then okay.
Yeah, so coming
Then
back
go on.
to the story. Yeah, so basically we were supposed to perform after 5 minutes, okay? And this guy, Shivin Suri, had to go to Susu. I mean, like,
Susu.
why? I mean, I freaked
And-
out. Okay, I was
and-
like, Shivin,
yeah.
Shivin ka hai? Call
Yeah,
Shivin.
we were just like ready
like-
to go onto stage, and we were like, oh, where is
Wait,
the
Two of the members are
where is
missing.
the
Singer
where is
members are
the
missing.
Shivan guy?
Gayak kahan?
People are
Where is
missing.
he?
What
गायक
is this?
कहाँ है हमारे?
And Shivan's like, खो गए
हम
कहाँ?
Kahan?
So basically,
Renko
where he was
Jai.
there was a restaurant right like in front of the stage where we were performing, Chili's. He was
Yeah.
inside the washroom of Chili's, and the
He
thing
went
with me is
inside a
whenever
restaurant
I
to go to the
am
washroom.
supposed to perform
Yeah.
and I get nervous, I have to I feel like going to the washroom and taking a dump or something. So I had to go to the washroom to pee, and I went. And I'm like, this is loud, and I'm like, "Ah," and then I realized that Shivan is inside. Rohan also came by the time. I was like, मेरे को भी जाना है, मैं उधर जाके perform करना, हम लोग इधर शौचालय break कर रहे हैं. What is this?
So basically, it seemed at the moment that the performance was going to happen inside the bathroom of Chili's,
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
and where there were
Shivan
tactical
started
nukes
nukes
going
udhar
on.
bhi.
But there were tactical nukes going on.
Yeah.
oof.
Can I continue this
Yes,
story?
yes,
from here?
please.
So I come out, I'm like, "Kho gaye," and Rohan is waiting outside with Acha Insan after they've done their shit and stuff, and I'm waiting. I just come out
Differently, not together.
Rohan is standing with a guitar, and he's looking at me like I am
He's like, this will
I
be
am-
inside you थोड़ी देर में.
like हाँ मतलब मैं तेरी गांड मारने वाला है, like तू मरने वाला है. Like I was like, bro, performance is chill, and I'm trying to hug him. I was like, let's do this, and he's pushing me away like a bloody
There's
4-year-old.
anger in his
And I'm like,
eyes.
dude, क्या कर रहा है?
I'm like,
क्या
"Hurt."
ego आ रहा है? मेरे में दिल्ली मेरा वाला दिल्ली हाइट जाके मैं कहा हुडी के कितना भाव लेगा? ज्यादा मत बन. फिर एंड में जाके he was like sorry. I was like sorry. चल. Dude, ये क्या
बस
हो
वो-
गया?
Sorry बोला
Like,
guys. Sorry. हम best friends हैं. हम
best
best
friend
friends
है,
हैं.
ये
Yay.
बस that was it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, funny
That was it.
experience it was. It is really like our group. It's really nice to perform and do all this stuff with all of you. It's pretty fun. and it's like,
I wasn't
it's
even
so funny.
performing and I had fun. I wasn't even performing, but I had fun.
Yeah, Mohit was just recording everything that was happening. Everything was going, and he's like, movement content for my channel.
Yeah, the video turned out pretty good.
zoom.
But it turned out to be a very sick video, I have to say.
It was
Yeah.
video plus performance. The day was late. Remember having
Yeah,
having dinner at the same
Yeah.
restaurant you got mad at me?
Yeah, we all had dinner there also. Yeah.
Arey, you all remember when the host or something was like, "Ki, your time is over," and she was like, "Oh, crowd, do you want to hear another song?" And the crowd
Arey,
was
no,
like,
that was the second
Ah, wo
performance,
baad
Baba.
mein.
Oh,
yeah,
अच्छा,
that
हाँ.
was different
second
No,
performance.
but someone said कि time
Ah.
खत्म हो रहा है or something.
Yeah,
Somebody said that in that
somebody
also.
said no,
No, not
the
first
second
performance.
one.
Nobody
Somebody said
Somebody said
time
it.
khatam ho raha hai, and Shivin was like,
We didn't give a shit. We didn't give a
Yeah.
shit.
Shivan,
And we were like,
Shivan-
everybody pull your phones out and turn on your flashlights. And
Yeah.
everybody took their phones
And they
out. Like,
did.
wow.
And
Yeah.
they did. That was like the best moment of my life.
I
That
felt
was
like Ed
so
Sheeran.
magical.
I felt like Pratik Kuhar, dude.
oh wow.
It was
Dude,
so
his
good.
Bombay concert,
honestly, okay,
beautiful.
one thing about music in India, which I don't like, is that most songs are known more by the movies they were in or the actors they were,
Yeah.
rather than the
It's a-
artists, which I
Agreed.
don't like, because even in US there are songs which were in movies. Okay, like See You Again, Fast and Furious 7.
Yeah.
But you remember Charlie Puth and Wiz Khalifa very clearly.
Yeah.
It's not like
In
you're like,
US
it's not like you
in
remember
US
Vin Diesel when you think of
yeah.
that. It's
Yeah,
not like
exactly.
that. India, you think of some song, you'll remember the actor who was there in the movie.
Yeah, in US it's the
हाँ, वो
opposite. Like
Akshay
some
Kumar वाला गाना है
some
ना?
artist
Akshay
makes
Kumar
a
wala
song.
hai.
In US, some artist makes a song and the song is released. Then they use it in a movie and they put it in their movie. So the
Yeah.
artist is like, yeah, this is
See, this
made
is-
by him.
yeah.
And it's recognized by his work.
Yeah.
But then in India, it's like Bollywood song. So
Yeah, like
Solo artists
in
can't.
US, music is a
That is one of the main reasons why Pratik Kuhar doesn't give his songs out to Bollywood that easily.
exactly.
If you
Otherwise,
see,
he'd
he's
just
done
become-
only 2 songs for Bollywood,
Yeah.
2 or 3 max.
But
Exactly.
the Bollywood songs are made for the movie, not
Yes.
made by the artist
Yeah.
for his own enjoyment.
Exactly.
I don't.
Right.
So the artist's creativity goes down because the director is instructing कि item song चाहिए और ऐसा होना
Yeah,
चाहिए.
he's given
Like,
like a
where is the
guideline.
artist
Ki
then?
you have to
It's not
make a song
scoring
that
a movie.
according to
it's
this.
not like
only.
scoring a movie. It's making
Exactly.
a song. So like it should be an individual effort of the musician.
Hmm,
It should not
agreed.
be biased by the director or
Facts.
the movie it's being made for.
Talk about song. All
Oh,
of
yeah.
us, we made a rap about
Yes.
lockdown.
On
Yes.
So
Corona.
it's probably on the
Yes.
Project
yeah,
A,
it's from
Unforeseen Circumstances.
Project U.
Also out on my YouTube and Instagram. Go check it
Yeah.
out.
So what we did for that
Shameless
was we were supposed to make a song. Me and Mohit started making. Yeah, you can watch the video. The whole video is
Yeah.
on his channel. So Shivan, would you like to tell us how
Right.
was your experience working on that?
Okay, let's just tell them how this other project started out. So basically, me and Adi, before the lockdown started, at my house, we were like, let's make a song. Like, let's make a video in which I am making a song.
Yeah.
That was the whole idea. I'm making a song, absolute new, who has no idea about pitch, tune, whatever it is. I'm absolute new in music. And he's like, we'll make you sing. And
Yeah.
you're going to make the tune. Like, I'm going to decide the tune and stuff like that.
Yeah, and
What-
then
what-
man started singing and was like, okay, sorry, bad idea. I'll sing.
Yeah.
Auto
Something like
tune
that
on.
happened. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, after that happened, lockdown started, and we were able to go to each other's houses. So we had to cancel that idea, and then
Yeah.
so we just thought, how can we make this into something usable? Because we already started working on it. I'm like, let's just finish this somehow. So then
Yeah.
when we thought, let's just make this a rap on lockdown, and
Yeah.
so we at that time we reached out to Rohan and Shivan. We told them to
Yeah.
write some lyrics.
Yeah, we're like, will you rap with us? And they're like, of course, always ready for rapping,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah. But these guys are not easy to work with. I'm going to tell you that. It took a
Mm.
long
right.
time for them to send
Oh,
make the
know.
lyrics and stuff.
Yeah, that let me take
Yeah.
over from there. So in the start, I remember that these guys were working on something, and I was also there one of the days when you were writing lyrics. So I also was helping thoda
Yeah,
here and there.
you wrote in
But you know,
writing Adi's lyrics a little bit.
yeah, Adi's part, yeah. You know, there was this part inside me, like even I want to.
Sing thoda sa, little
yeah.
bit.
May I come in, sir?
So little, may I?
Hey Rohan, control plus.
May I? It should be can I come in? No, it's may I come in? Yeah, fuck what I was saying.
But then I thought that let me just shut up and let them work, because yeah, it's their project, so let them work. But after that, because of the lockdown, these guys approached us, and then I was like, oh, fuck. Rohan, lyrics like that, bro. Because I am shit at
Did
writing
Rohan write your
lyrics.
lyrics?
I can't write lyrics.
Did Rohan write your lyrics?
Not everything,
Not
but we were
everything,
on a
yeah.
video call where we discussed everything. And then, because I have zero creativity when I'm
Adi-
writing lyrics, but if you tell me to take an alap, I will do it.
Adi, as the creators
that.
of this
Shivan,
video,
take a all up.
Adi,
रैप में कहाँ से आला पाया भाई?
Blue eyes, teri.
oh wow, Adi, but as the creators of this video, we didn't know about this. We didn't know about this, Adi.
What?
We didn't know that Shivan ka lyrics was written
I
by
did-
Rohan.
I knew that Rohan wrote one or two lines or something, and because end mein Shivan had
He
to
gave
sing,
me
so
the
he gave
start, and
thirty.
then
Yeah.
after that, we
That
got
I
on a
knew.
video call. I was like, "Mujhse nahi hoga ye. Please don't tell them. Let's do it." But now it's the first day. You are coming to know. Hello guys.
Yes.
Good
The,
evening.
the best thing
now-
about this project was marketing. Rohan, tell
Oh,
us
yeah.
how we
The
did the marketing.
Oh,
for
Mark,
it.
Yeah.
okay,
Oh, bro.
I was not involved in
Yes.
the marketing. These three guys, mainly Shivan and Rohan, I guess, were the
Yeah, so
marketing
commerce
geniuses.
students.
The marketing geniuses.
High five, Rohan. High five. Commerce represent.
Science
Represent.
representative. Actually,
Tell us,
I don't
Rohan.
want to represent science. I don't want to represent science.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah, so basically, like about 2 days before the release, I had this idea, okay, कि why don't we tell everybody to put up stories and send it to us saying ये project you क्या है? And to be honest, I had like basically saved this master plan for my song Muskurahat, okay, but I thought कि मतलब you know like just like let's just do
Respect,
this, you know,
respect.
yeah.
Trial.
So we
Let's
did
try out
this,
the method. Let's
and
try out the method.
yeah, I mean, so like basically everybody made videos saying ये project you क्या है. This one guy
Yeah.
auto-tuned his voice saying ये
ये
project you
project
क्या
you
है.
क्या है?
That was so cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
We have
And
such
you're a legend,
supportive
man. You're a
friends.
legend.
I really thank you to everyone
Yeah,
who supported and
yes.
posted stories. Honestly, very supportive friends.
Yes,
Love all of
and
them.
suddenly
Very supportive and
yeah, and
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
suddenly रातों रात project you became a thing, and मतलब everybody had this thing कि like क्या है ये project you,
क्या
कौन
है
है
क्या?
project you, क्या है
सही
project
में?
you, जानना
And
है
you were
मुझे.
like ये लोग सही में पूछेंगे and everybody was like क्या है सही में तो बता क्या है project you? I'm like oh it's working okay.
It's like, okay,
Project you.
okay.
Yeah, people were like, "What is project you?" I'm like, "कल देखो."
कल देखो.
I
They're like कोई
literally-
product literally बेच रहे कल देख लेना.
कल देख
शाम
लेना,
7
yeah.
बजे.
No, but like that.
And there was this video of mine where I said, "Project use का राज जानने के लिए देखते
देखते रहिए
रहिए."
हमारे
I was
साथ.
like, dude,
बने
I
रहिए.
felt like a radio jockey. I'm not even kidding.
But like,
It was
it was a
fun.
very successful marketing campaign. It has over 1,600 views on
It's really
Instagram.
nice.
Over 1,600
Yeah.
views on Instagram, and I think around 500 views on YouTube.
Yeah, we thought of
Pretty
trying to boost it. Oh, we sent it to our teachers also. I sent it to our teachers and said like, "What
Yeah.
are
Oh
you
yeah,
guys?
Shawaz
What
too.
are you
Yeah.
doing?" And we were like, "Wow, very good, Annie. Thank you, man. Thank you. We did all."
One
of that."
negative review I got from my tuition teacher. He's like, सबका rap अच्छा था, but तुम rap मत करो.
Abhi, my mom actually liked your and Rohan's rap better than mine and Mohit's, obviously.
What do
And
you
my
mean?
mom
Oh,
liked
what do you-
yours and
Bro,
Rohan's
bro,
rap
he didn't even
better
rap.
than
I
mine.
didn't even rap. I didn't even rap. My part was a meme.
It's
My
true,
part
I'm
was a meme.
hurting.
It was a
That is
joke.
Corona
No.
time.
Guys, check it out.
My
check it out.
part
check
was
it
a
out.
joke.
Yes.
I can't sing for shit.
We'll put the link to this video.
Even if my
Bro, we told Mohit to do a sa. He was like,
I like Mohit.
Re-
Sa, and I was
Re-
like, sa.
I'm betting even if I had to sing to save my life, I wouldn't be able to do it.
Yeah, man will die.
I'd rather die.
Man will die.
Say sa right now.
Mohit, yeah, say sa.
Sa.
See, look at this
Sa.
dude. Shameless.
I
Da.
can't.
Oh,
Okay, I'm
bhai.
not even gonna act like I can sing. I can't.
Make some effort, like sa.
Okay, this is not going in the podcast. Fuck it.
Okay.
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Ma.
Guys, this is not a singing lesson coaching. Shut up. I'm just looking at a meme here. What is this? What is going on?
हम कार्टून बन गए guys. हम कार्टून बन गए.
Yeah.
Oh, cartoon. Y'all remember cartoons? Shivan, what was your favorite cartoon?
What?
Augie.
Tom
Augie.
and
देखो
Jerry.
Augie पसंद
Tom
था.
and Jerry. Augie is good.
Augie याद है?
Augie was good. Augie was good.
Augie.
Abhi,
Augie was
but
good,
it
yeah.
used to keep switching
Concept
from
was nice.
Cartoon Network to Nick to
Yeah,
Pogo.
it just kept switching.
To Disney
Hangama,
also.
bro. Hangama OP.
हाँ,
Hangama is OP, bro.
Hangama
is
OP.
OP.
अरे my favorite was तो अच्छा काफी सारे थे. One was Kochi Kame. Y'all remember Kochi Kame?
No, I don't.
No.
No?
No.
अरे कोची का नहीं पता. अच्छा हगी मारू.
अरे है.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hagemaru मेरा favorite.
Hagemaru
था.
I've heard,
मेरा- मेरा
Hagemaru I've
favorite है,
Nat
Hagemaru.
Cut और
I've not watched
कौन
that.
है बोलो बोलो सारा ये भी तो
Hagemaru है.
Yeah. What was-
Editing.
So good.
what about what was that? Kitaretsu.
Oh हाँ.
Iteretsu.
सब robots से related.
कहीं आते जाते रास्ते में कहीं खून नहीं उसका स्कूल के बस्ते
के बस्ते
में
में।
School के बस्ते में.
Bro, I'm not gonna try to
देखे
sing.
तो मिल जाएगा.
Invention.
But if I try to sing right now,
I'll
basically be
Wait,
Jian.
wait, what was that line? This line was very like double meaning. इसके जैसा इन्वेंटर ना कोई. That नहीं खुद को अपने कमरे में बंद करके Invention
Invention
हाँ.
invention
Right.
करता
Ah,
जाता.
डैड का पूरा साथ है और मॉम का.
Mom.
Oh भाई.
My God.
मत.
All right.
Okay, guys. Thank
Ruining
you.
your childhood
नमस्ते.
since day one.
I would just cue in. Dum 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 dum.
No. अरे यार I will not put this video
Yeah,
in
please
my
please
family
ये
group.
cut कर देना.
हाँ, ये
Yeah.
cut कर.
देखेंगे we'll see about if it's funny I'll put it. So is that it? Are
Yeah.
we done with this podcast, boys?
Yeah, I think
I
so.
think that's
That's
it.
good for today. Thank you so
Shivan,
much for being on the
Rohan.
podcast.
How was it being on the podcast?
It was beautiful, and I want to do it again.
Maybe we'll see what the
Yeah,
response is.
maybe.
Maybe we'll get you guys back. Rohan, what do you have to say?
I had a great time talking about my scam. Yeah, I mean बहुत ही सही लगा सब लोग को you know मतलब क्या ये देखा कि मतलब कि मेरे से कितना बड़ा scam हुआ. So yeah, nice.
You guys have anything else you want to say to the
that's been
audience?
Very nice.
You guys have anything else you want to say to the audience?
Guys,
You are not alone, and you're loved. Love you
stay
guys.
safe, stay happy, keep smiling.
Fine.
Jai Hind, dost.
The Instagram
No,
links
don't.
for
Cut
both
this,
of these.
Cut Jai Hind.
Okay. The Instagram links for both of these boys will be in the description.
Yeah.
And thank you once again, Shivan and Rohan, for tuning in with us.
Thank you
And
so
thank
much.
you
Thank
all
you,
for
sir.
watching this episode of Give Me a Break. We'll be back with another episode very soon. And stay
That's-
safe, stay fun, keep enjoying.
Yeah.
Good night.